This video will outline how to generate repair reports and the features they provide. After you have completed a scan with your BlueDriver, you will notice an arrow next to most codes found. By clicking the arrow, you will generate a repair report for that code. Repair reports are generated using a database built on reports from professional mechanics. The information in the report can include code frequency, possible causes, reported fixes, and more. However, since the report is specific to your vehicle and based on the experiences of real mechanics, the information contained in a repair report will vary based on the make and model of your vehicle. When generating your first report, you will need to accept the license agreement to proceed. In your repair report, you can find the code definition as well as a code frequency graph showing how common the issue is on your vehicle. You may also find possible causes and potential fixes for the issue. Tapping the arrow to the right of any fix will bring you directly to Amazon, where you'll find the exact part called for in that potential fix. It's also possible to share your repair reports by tapping the share icon at the top right of the app. More about sharing can be found in the Sharing Reports video. Additionally, you may access any repair reports you've generated at any time by visiting the Saved Report screen from the Scan Tool tab. Please note, in order to access repair reports, your vehicle's VIN needs to be set. BlueDriver will usually detect your VIN automatically. However, some vehicles do not allow automatic VIN detection, and it will need to be entered manually. More info on entering VIN can be found in the Setting Your Vehicle Info video. To access repair reports, you will also need an internet connection. If you're offline during a scan, you can access the repair report later from your saved scans. We hope you find the information in your repair report to be helpful in understanding your vehicle's issues. If you are having trouble with repair reports or any other BlueDriver feature, don't worry. Our world-class support team is here to help. Contact them 24/7.